So I know Notion can be a bit overwhelming if you are looking at all the aesthetic ways that people are designing and doing their Notion, which is great. I totally love it. I feel like I have a quote unquote aesthetic Notion, but that is not the way to get started. Let me show you a few tips to get you started in functionally using Notion within 10 minutes. So if you're new here, hi, hello, I am Myra. I do all things Notion, craft, and stationery related. So if you're into those kinds of things, definitely make sure you hit the subscribe button. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to add a simple calendar, add a divider line, add a simple to-do or note listing kind of list, and how to embed a simple Spotify playlist, because we always need a good playlist to organize our life. I will have timestamps down below if you want to just see a specific thing and go straight to that. Okay, so let's go ahead and hop on over to my Notion. Here is how mine's look, and I know you're thinking like, girl, this is definitely overwhelmingly aesthetic, but you don't have to start here this way. But what I think with Notion is that you have to build up piece by piece in order to make it exactly the aesthetically pleasing way. And honestly, if you spend all your time making it look cute and not actually using it, is it functional? Is it really working for you? So let's start off with some functional pieces. So first thing first, let's go ahead and add a calendar over to it. We're gonna go ahead over on the far left side and click add a page. This all may be empty if you're just now starting fresh and new on Notion, but you will have an option to go ahead and add a page. We can go ahead and title this and make it simple. Let's say we're just working on our first dashboard where everything will pretty much be housed once we finally build up our Notion. You can add a simple icon. Let's just, for the sake of everything, use some stars. And if you want to add a simple cover, you can go ahead and add that. You can change the cover and just use a simple gradient or something that Notion has already in for you, whatever fits and floats your boat, or you can upload it directly. We're just gonna go ahead and use this simple gradient here just to keep it easy. So after creating that, let's go ahead and click empty page. And for every command in Notion, the easiest way to get it is to hit the backslash and start typing in what you are looking for. So for us, we're adding a simple calendar view. So we're gonna start typing in calendar and you'll see all the things pop up. So calendar view. And you will see here over towards the right where it pops up to select a data source. Obviously, I have all these different sources from the pages that I already have included in my Notion. But since you're starting out, let's just go ahead and click on New Database. And there you have it, a simple, easy, right to the point kind of calendar. Okay, so we have our simple calendar here, but we want to have a divider line added to it so we can just separate tasks and just make it look visually pleasing. So easiest, simple way to do a horizontal line is to just simply click on the screen and just start typing in divider, and that will pop right up. You'll get this faint line here that will simply just divide the screen. Perfect for when you want to separate like from top to bottom, but what if you want to do something that is more vertical? And we're going to hit quote, and it's going to give us this little short line, but if we want to make it longer or want to separate it maybe to the length of what our calendar is looking like right now, you can make it to your desired length by holding down Shift, Tab, and Enter. And you can, continue to click Enter until you get the desired length. For our simple to-do list, we're just going to go ahead and add that below our calendar. Here we'll, again, that backslash, and Notion already has this built in. So all you have to do is start typing in to-do list, and you'll have these little check boxes come about, and just fill in some items and just continue to build off your simple to-do list from there. We all love a really good playlist. So let's go ahead and add that to our Notion. Again, we're on the side of our to-do list here. From here, you're gonna just click on the screen, hit the backslash button, and we're going to do embed. So when you find your playlist on Spotify, you're just going to go ahead and click share and copy the link to my playlist. You can adjust it if you want it somewhat smaller. Or if you want longer to kind of see the tracks on the playlist, just kind of click these bars to adjust that playlist there, and you can adjust it to however you want it on your Notion page. And there you have it, guys. Those are 4 easy tips and tricks to get you started on your Notion journey today. These things are really quick and easy to know, so you can build up and create the Notion that you love and will use. Let me know down below if there is any tips or any questions that you have, or anything that you want me to go more in depth in so you can learn more about Notion. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.